Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy the resale tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. Now, resale tickets are great when original tickets sell out, and Ticketmaster's marketplace makes it super safe and easy. So first of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. After that, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply use the search bar and you need to search for the event. So after clicking on the event, you need to come here on the event page. Now here you need to scroll down to the ticket options. If resale tickets are available, you will see this type of label on top of it. So if the ticket has this type of symbol, it means that the ticket is being sold by another fan and is available for you to buy. So this might appear alongside or below the regular tickets. So when you are able to find that option, simply click on it and select the option of resale tickets. So here, after clicking on it, you are going to see the available seats being sold by other fans. So you can use the filters to narrow your search. Like you can filter it out by price range. You can search with selection or row, and you can even take a look at the ticket quantity. So you will find the tickets that you want. Simply just click on it and select it and buy it. So this will show a total price including the fees and the delivery method. So after reviewing it carefully, simply make the payments. So after the confirmation of your ticket, once you have made the payment, you can click on the my account option. After that, click on the option of upcoming events. So the tickets that you have purchased will come here in your my ticket section. So from here, you can either add it in your wallet or you can even download it as PDF. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.